Have you ever wondered how people earn cryptocurrency without spending hours glued to their screens, analyzing markets, and executing trades? In today's digital era, the opportunity to earn crypto online has become more accessible and surprisingly straightforward, thanks to automated platforms. Even if you're just a beginner dipping your toes into this exciting world, there's a place for you. Imagine this: you're enjoying your morning coffee, while a system works tirelessly in the background, growing your crypto assets. Sounds intriguing, right? Automated platforms operate like efficient assistants, allowing you to earn cryptocurrency with minimal effort. But how exactly does it work? Let's dive into the fascinating journey of earning crypto using these platforms. At the heart of automated crypto earning is the concept of trading bots. These are sophisticated software programs designed to execute trades on your behalf. They analyze market trends, spot opportunities, and make trades at a speed no human can match. This not only saves time but capitalizes on the volatile nature of crypto markets. Before long, you'll see small portions of profit accumulate, like drops filling a bucket. Another popular method is through crypto lending platforms. Think of this as a digital extension of traditional banks. Here, you lend your cryptocurrency to borrowers, earning interest in return, without the need to navigate financial markets or manage complex investments. These platforms automate the lending process, selecting borrowers, setting terms, and collecting payments, ensuring everything runs smoothly while you sit back and let your assets grow. Mining pools also play a significant role in the automated landscape. Remember the tech-savvy pros working tirelessly on mining rigs? Well, with automated platforms, you can join a mining pool, contributing your computational resources. The platform does the heavy lifting, and you're rewarded with a share of the mining profits. This approach democratizes access to mining, opening it to virtually anyone interested in earning crypto in a shared effort. But there's more. Yield farming and staking are gaining traction among automated methods. By depositing your crypto assets in a platform, you provide liquidity to decentralized finance protocols, earning rewards over time. It's like planting seeds in fertile soil and reaping the benefits when they flourish. Staking, similarly, involves locking coins in a network to bolster its operations, yielding interest in return. Both methods allow for a hands-off approach, with platforms automating the intricate tasks for you. While these methods simplify the crypto world, they'd be incomplete without the robust security measures in place. The blockchain technology underlying these transactions ensures transparency and security, decentralizing control and minimizing fraud risk. Yet, it's crucial to choose reliable platforms with a clear track record, as the crypto space, although promising, is not without its pitfalls and vulnerabilities. In the end, earning crypto online through automated platforms offers a blend of technological marvel and financial opportunity. For beginners, they open doors to engaging with digital currencies without the intimidating complexity often associated with them. As you explore these tools, remember to stay informed and cautious, striking a balance between potential gains and the risks inherent in any financial endeavor. So, next time you hear about the whirlwind world of cryptocurrency, imagine the platforms working silently behind the scenes. They open a realm where anyone young or old, seasoned investor or curious beginner can participate in the revolutionary shift towards digital finance. As you take the first step on this journey, equipped with knowledge and curiosity, you might just find yourself unlocking new doors, leading to the future of money entirely at your fingertips. If you want to learn how people earn crypto online, watch the free videos at joinalexnow.com.